Ready.
Okay, we're gonna do a science experiment with vinegar and baking soda. And so first we're gonna put vinegar in the cup. Then we take a glove to put some baking soda in it. Once you put the baking soda in there, you carefully put it over the cup. Then when you're ready, you put the baking soda inside it and dump it in the vinegar, and then watch the magic.